Hey guys, this is Zevin from DNC. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can redirect the URL in your WordPress website. So let's go into our step-by-step sharing. Alright, we are now in the WordPress website. Okay, so this is just a demo website, and I'm currently using all the default content. Okay, so I didn't install any theme. This is the the default versions of WordPress. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how you can actually redirect your website URL to another link. Yeah, so over right here, we actually need to go and download a plugin first. All right, and once you go into your dashboard, okay, your domain name /wp-admin. Yeah, once you're in your dashboard, we are going to go under plugins, and we are going to add a new plugin, and it's called Redirection. Search for the plugin name, Redirection, okay, and you'll be able to see this over more than 2 million of active installation. We're going to click install now. Right, and we are going to activate this plugin. Yep, once activated, we are just going to do the setup. Okay, mouse over to tools. Right, once you activated the plugin, you'll be able to see it's showing under the tools, under the redirection. All right, so just click on here. Yep, and we are just going to click on start setup, continue setup, finish the setup, and just need to wait for a while. All right, finish. Okay, so over right here, you will just need to decide what is the URL that you would like to redirect. Yeah, so once you come in here, you can see that currently there's no URL. There's no redirections being set up. You can just come all the way here, click on add new, and we are going to put the original URL right here and the redirect URL right here. So for example, let's say I will just go and create a new page. And all right, and this page is, I will just call it as social media. All right, I'll be able to get my URL right here, which is good hygiene social media. All right, and I will just paste this link right here, and my target URL, I'm going to redirect it to my YouTube channel. All right, so I'll open up my YouTube channel right here. So this is DMC YouTube channel. Yep. Right, and I'm going to put it right here. Yeah, so ensure that this one is under redirection. Okay, exactly match my URL right here that I'm showing. That's whenever people click on the social media link, okay, this exact URL, it'll be redirected to my YouTube channel. All right, and over right here, you can also set, if you want it to do is 301, so permanently redirect, or some kind of like other redirects settings right here. Okay, so this is under the advanced setting. Yeah, so what we will do is that right here, I will just click on add the redirect, and that's it. Okay, you'll be able to see that there's actually this link right here. Yeah, I can click on the edit and continue to do some editing right here, or else what I will do is I will just try on the URL that I have just now, right? So this is the URL earlier. So what I will do is that I'll just close this, and I will just Okay, I will just open another link, yeah, and hit on enter. Yep, as you can see, it will automatically redirect to my YouTube channel. All right, just do it again one more time. If you can see over right here, I will just open up a new tab and I enter the URL that I have earlier. Okay, goodhygiene.com/social media. And once I hit on enter, you can see that it actually redirects to my YouTube channel. And you can do this to any post and also any page that you have. Yeah, so maybe I'll just add another post and I will just call it as Facebook. All right. Okay, and I will get this URL that I have. You can also actually redirect to your internal website. So it's not necessary you have to redirect out of the website. Like just now, I redirect to my YouTube. You can actually do internal redirect. So maybe I will just use this as an example of internal redirect. So once you are here, we will just go back to tools redirection. Yep, I'm just going to add a new one. Okay, so over right here, I'm just going to put my URL that I would like to redirect. But all right, I would like to redirect it to my home page. Okay, my target URL will be my home page. I will just add a redirect. You'll be able to see right here. Okay, redirect to my home page. Yeah. So what I will do, same thing. I'll just close this page, and I'll just open a new URL. Hit on enter. Pull up. You'll be able to see that it's actually redirect to the home page, right? So basically, that's all. In order for you to redirect your URL, be it is to an external link or internal link, is actually very simple. By just installing a redirections plugin. Yeah. So I hope you will be able to successfully have the redirects function. So if you're able to redirect the URL, remember to leave a comment below and let me know. Yeah, and if you like our video, remember to help us like and share. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.